Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about the trades of the day here on March 23rd, 2022. And as you know, the market has slowed down a little since the Russian-Ukraine crisis war. So it's back to normal trading. So here we're using the Trading123 Autotrader, trading the NQ, trading 3 contracts, goal 600, loss of 400. Basically we got our new trend filter here that identifies the trend, and it will, like right here, it didn't take the short trade. Didn't take the short trade here because we were uptrending. So with this filter you can turn it on or off, and as you see it's pretty accurate. Autotrader got long here, went up, hit its targets or stop, got us out. Didn't take the short here on the trend change, and up we went to a high, and target was hit, $555. So what I've been noticing on some of these short trades here, the market will start to sell off, and I don't know if it's program trading or what, comes in and you get these 3, 4, 5, 6 bars up, and then another down move, and so the filter is really helping out. And it does the same thing in crude. So let's take a look at the performance on this trade. Total net profit $555. 6 trades, 100% winners, and largest winning trade $155. Potential profits on a 30-day basis $16,900. Now this trend filter works on all futures, and here's a trade we did on crude oil. We started the Autotrader right here. As you see, it was in a downtrend, so it didn't take this uptrend reversal, which would have got stopped out, and took this nice short, and we hit our goal. So the filter is pretty accurate in identifying the trends, but like I said, you can turn it on or off, and you can even adjust the parameter settings on it if you wish. So what the filter does is keep you out of, trades like this that really shouldn't have been a long. And then when the market gets kind of choppy or sideways, it'll also keep you out. So here, another trade, we reset the strategy, still trading 3 contracts, goal is 600. Market sells off here and gets a little bounce, and we get stopped out. So it didn't, with the filter also, it didn't exit the trade and take this long because the trend was down. Then I went short here and reversed, and then a trend changed to the upside, and it did a wham bam thank you ma'am, off to the races, and hit our goal. And it did about 15 trades to hit the goal. It was kind of a sloppy mess there after, around 10-12, 10-14. Market got choppy right in this area here and here. But the Autotrader still managed to produce another winning trade. Now look at this. Here's the volume today, 10:30 a.m. Those of you trading the MCL, you got to be out of your mind. 2,000 shares, 2,400 shares traded. Someone sent me an email, wanted to know why they got a bad fill. Well, there's your reason. And crude's only trading 48,000. So, I mean, that is, something's up with crude. I don't know why the volume just decided to drop off the earth. And all the other futures got plenty of volume. So it's a good idea to pay attention to the volume. If there's no volume, there's no sense of trading it. And you should always watch the volume. You can set up a market analyzer like this in your NinjaTrader. Just select market analyzer and then fill in the instruments and then whatever you want here. Price, volume, percent change. There's a whole slew of choices to trade, choose from. So our next trade here was a real doozy here. We started the auto trader here. It didn't take this short because it was in a downtrend and took this long, but the market decided to go down. There was no participation here, no buyers lifting it back up to the highs. And so we got stopped, or like I used to like to say, whack-a-mole. We got whacked on the trade. So that does happen. The auto trader is not, a black box system. You will get stopped out on some trades. And usually this is usually a good setup here, but for some reason market was not liking it today and we got stopped. Now, yeah, it's not good to get stopped, but we reset the strategy and we know it's going to have more winners than losers, and we run it again. Now let's see what happened on that trade. So we waited a few minutes. The market continued this up move here. Started the auto trader while I was in the up move, and then the bottom fell out. It got short. Had some nice profit targets on the way down. Our trail stop kicked in and got us out here. And that's another thing you got to do. So, okay, so the trail stop took me out on this little bounce here. Like I said, the market's been doing these 5-6 bar bounces, and here's another one. So you got to look at your chart and say, well, okay, I'm using a 24 tick stop. So maybe I need to raise it a couple ticks, and I would have missed this not getting stopped out and rode it further down, probably all the way to here. So then the market reverses to the upside with the trend filter on. It did not take the long. It got short, sold off, and another $600 gain. And there's the strategy performance to show it was a live trade. Netted 610, commission 24, and all the figures at the bottom. Now here's another trade showing our trend filter. We adjusted our stop. We left it the same there. So we're still going for the same goals. It was the trail stop that I had to adjust. Yeah, it was the trail stop. So I readjusted that. Where'd it go? Where's my mouse? Yeah, it was a trail stop that it kicks in after like 18 ticks and was trailing by like 22, and I think I changed it to 24, 25. So back to the other trade. So you're always going to be looking at your chart. The market leaves footprints and say, okay, why did this happen? Maybe I need to make some adjustments. Just like when the market is going faster, you got to adjust the Renko bars. When it's going slower, you lower the Renko bars and all that stuff that we cover in our manuals and videos with the software. So here we are back in the power hour after 11 o'clock. And the market usually makes its major move because institutional order flow and the big trading firms get behind the market and put all their funds to work, and volume picks up. So we started the auto trader while it was here in the uptrend. It had a small pullback. It didn't take this short, and it got long here, went up, hit our first, second, and third targets nicely. Well, the third target got stopped out, so you can see the trail stop moving up. And then it didn't take this short, although it would have made some money. and then it reversed right here, and 3-minute trade, 4-minute trade, and we're out the market with a profit. So that's the trades of the day with the Trading123 Autotrader. This is Patrick from Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and like us on social media, Facebook and Twitter. And we'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.